Present perfect, made easy. We use have or has plus the past participle. For example, been. I have been to the island several times. No one knows when I went or came back. They just know I traveled to and returned from the island several times. I still have not found what I am looking for. No one knows when I started looking for something. They only know I still have not found it. You can use present perfect to talk about experience. I have not read that book. I did not read it, but maybe I will read it soon. Remember, use unspecified time expressions with present perfect. You can use in the last week, in the last year, this week, this month, so far, up to now. Warning: you cannot use last week, yesterday, a week ago, because they specify time. Present perfect is a picture of the current situation. It shows that what something is like now, but may change in the future. I have worked for 18 years. I have worked since 1998. No one knows exactly when you started working. They only know the amount of time you have worked until now. I hope this video has been useful. Thanks for watching.